long story short, my hemoglobin level, woman's hemoglobin should be between 11 and 14. My hemoglobin level was a 4.6. When your hemoglobin drops below 7, it becomes dangerous. They have to give you a blood transfusion. When it gets under 6, it is critical, and most people are in the intensive care fighting for their lives. Most of them don't make it, and those that do make it never get full quality of life back. So I am here this morning, a living testimony of God's power to sustain you. Because when I was dealing with these symptoms that I thought was just old age and blood pressure, every day I would speak the word of God over myself. I would say, God, I know I'm healed. And I believe it's because I kept speaking the word of God that God sustained me. Listen, I had 10 different doctors all in the emergency room coming. And the one finally told me, he said, you know what? You are a fascinating case.